They've got 8 arms, 0 bones, and can escape a locked container like Houdini. Welcome to our deep dive into the mysterious world of octopuses. Today we're exploring just how clever these fascinating creatures really are. From their unique brains to their extraordinary problem-solving skills, you'll discover why octopuses are considered the Einsteins of the sea. So get ready to be amazed by the remarkable intelligence of octopuses. Chapter 1: Basic Facts. Before we dive into their intelligence, let's get to know the octopus a bit better. Octopuses are fascinating creatures with some unique physical traits. They have 8 arms lined with suction cups, 3 hearts, and blue blood. Yes, you heard that right, blue blood. This is because their blood contains a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which helps them survive in low-oxygen environments. Octopuses are found in oceans all over the world, from the warm tropical waters to the chilly depths of the polar regions. These creatures are masters of camouflage, capable of changing their skin color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them hide from predators and sneak up on their prey. Living mostly in solitude, octopuses prefer to make their homes in dens, small crevices or burrows on the ocean floor. They are nocturnal hunters, venturing out at night to feed on crabs, shrimp, and small fish. Despite their reclusive nature, octopuses are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in various marine environments. Now that we have a basic understanding of what an octopus is, Chapter 2: Octopus Intelligence. First, let's talk about their brain. An octopus's brain is about the size of a walnut, but don't let its size fool you. It's highly complex and packed with neurons. In fact, octopuses have around 500 million neurons, comparable to some small mammals. But what's really fascinating is how these neurons are distributed. Unlike humans, where most of our neurons are in our brains, 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are spread throughout its arms. This means each arm can operate somewhat independently, allowing the octopus to multitask in ways we can barely imagine. Imagine being able to taste, touch, and manipulate objects with your arms, all while your main brain focuses on something else. This distributed intelligence is a big part of what makes octopuses so clever. Each arm has a mind of its own, capable of solving problems and reacting to stimuli without direct input from the central brain. This unique nervous system gives octopuses remarkable problem-solving abilities. They can navigate complex environments, open jars to get food, and even escape from enclosures that seem securely sealed. In captivity, they've been observed unscrewing lids, navigating mazes, and even recognizing individual humans who feed them. Moreover, octopuses show signs of short and long-term memory. They can learn from experience, remember solutions to problems, and even show signs of playfulness, a trait often associated with higher intelligence. For instance, some octopuses have been seen repeatedly shooting jets of water at objects, seemingly for the fun of it. Their brain structure and distributed intelligence enable octopuses to exhibit behaviors that are rare among invertebrates. From using tools to solving puzzles, their cognitive abilities are not just impressive, but sometimes downright astonishing. Chapter 3: Problem-Solving Abilities. Octopuses are renowned for their remarkable problem-solving abilities. Let's explore some fascinating examples that showcase just how clever they can be. Let's address their reputation as escape artists. In aquariums around the world, there are countless stories of octopuses outsmarting their enclosures. One famous case involves Inky the octopus from New Zealand. Inky managed to squeeze through a small gap at the top of his tank, slide across the floor, and make his way down a drain pipe to the open sea. This incredible escape highlights their ability to navigate complex environments and find innovative solutions to escape confinement. Another impressive example of their problem-solving skills is their use of tools. Yes, you heard that right. Octopuses use tools. In the wild, some octopuses have been observed collecting coconut shells and using them as portable shelters. They carry these shells around and assemble them when they need a safe place to hide. This behavior demonstrates foresight and planning, traits that are quite rare in the animal kingdom. In captivity, octopuses have been known to solve intricate puzzles. Researchers often design experiments to test their cognitive abilities, such as placing food inside a jar with a screw-on lid. Octopuses can learn to unscrew the lid to access the food inside. They approach these challenges methodically, using trial and error until they find the solution. This ability to learn from experience and apply it to new situations is a hallmark of advanced intelligence. But their problem-solving skills aren't limited to physical tasks. Octopuses also exhibit remarkable observational learning. Studies have shown that octopuses can watch other octopuses perform a task and then replicate the behavior themselves. This kind of learning by imitation is rare among invertebrates and highlights their sophisticated cognitive abilities. These examples of problem-solving and tool use illustrate the extraordinary intelligence of octopuses. Their ability to think critically, learn from their environment, and adapt to new challenges make them one of the most intriguing creatures in the ocean. Chapter 4: Learning and Memory. Octopuses don't just solve problems, they learn from them too. Their capacity for learning and memory is truly remarkable, setting them apart from most other invertebrates. Starting with their ability to solve puzzles. In various environments, octopuses have shown that they can solve complex problems to get food. One common test involves placing food inside a jar with a screw-on lid. Octopuses quickly learn how to open the jar by unscrewing the lid, demonstrating their ability to understand cause and effect. They don't just rely on instinct, they observe, learn, and remember the steps needed to solve the puzzle. But it doesn't stop there. Octopuses also exhibit long-term memory. Once an octopus learns how to open a jar, it can remember the technique and apply it in the future, even weeks later. This ability to retain and recall information is a key indicator of advanced intelligence. Another fascinating aspect of their intelligence is observational learning. In studies, octopuses have been shown to learn by watching other octopuses. For instance, if one octopus observes another solving a puzzle, it can replicate the behavior without having to go through the same trial and error process. This kind of learning through imitation is rare among invertebrates and showcases the octopus's sophisticated cognitive abilities. Octopuses also exhibit signs of play, a trait often associated with higher intelligence. Researchers have observed octopuses engaging in playful behaviors, such as repeatedly bouncing objects like bottles and toys against the current in their tanks. This playful behavior suggests they not only interact with their environment in complex ways, but also enjoy stimulating their minds. These examples of learning and memory highlight the advanced cognitive abilities of octopuses. They can learn from experience, remember solutions to problems, and even learn by observing others. Now, we'll explore how octopuses use their intelligence to communicate and interact with their environment and each other. Chapter 5: Communication and Interaction. Octopuses have fascinating ways of communicating and interacting with their environment. One of the most striking methods is their ability to change color and texture. Using specialized cells called chromatophores, they can rapidly shift their skin color to blend in with their surroundings, signal to other octopuses, or even warn predators to stay away. This color change can happen in an instant, allowing them to adapt to their environment in real time. Additionally, octopuses use body language to communicate. They can change the shape and posture of their bodies to convey different messages, such as displaying a defensive stance or mimicking other sea creatures to avoid threats. These sophisticated communication methods show how octopuses use their intelligence, not just to solve problems, but to interact with the world around them in complex and dynamic ways. Chapter 6: Octopus Intelligence in the Wild. Octopus intelligence is not just evident in captivity, it shines in the wild too. When hunting, octopuses employ a range of clever strategies. They can stalk their prey, blend into the environment, and ambush unsuspecting victims with remarkable precision. Some octopuses even use tools, such as rocks, to create barriers or flush out prey from hiding spots. One notable behavior is their ability to use mimicry to avoid predators. The mimic octopus, for example, can imitate the appearance and movements of more dangerous creatures like lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes. This cunning disguise helps it evade threats and move safely through its habitat. These behaviors highlight how octopuses use their intelligence to navigate the challenges of their environment. Their adaptive strategies and problem-solving skills in the wild are a testament to their remarkable cognitive abilities. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of octopus intelligence. If you enjoyed this exploration, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the natural world. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What did you find most surprising about octopus intelligence? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.